Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Was supposed to be my vlog from annual training, but that did not happen, and I will tell you why if I don't get too upset to talk about it, which I know sounds ridiculous. So, went to annual training, right? Told you guys I was going to annual training. It was fine. Videoed the whole thing. So for over 2 weeks, sorry, I have a piece of hair in my mouth. So for like 17 days, I videoed every day, right? Like little clips here and there, got what I could. It came out so great. So the whole time I was there, I edited on my phone. I've already told you guys that. I am uploading the clips onto my iMovie and I'm editing as I go. So this is so great. You know, I'm not gonna have to do all this at once whenever I get home. I'm just trying to do it a little bit at a time. And so I spent a lot of time doing that. Whenever I got back to my hotel room after annual training, I had like 2 days added onto our orders. And those 2 days were pretty much not doing anything. I was editing. I got back home for 2 days, was editing. I mean, this isn't like a 24/7, this is what I'm doing thing, but very time consuming. If you've ever edited a YouTube video, you know what I'm talking about. Went to Miami. So I was home for 2 days. Went to Miami. And even some of my Miami trip, I was still editing. So I got back here. This has been like 2 days. I wanted to go make a video right whenever it happened, but I was so upset about it that I just wanted to lay in bed, which again, I know sounds ridiculous, but and I'm smiling now. I don't know why I'm smiling about it. It's not like, oh, it makes me so frustrated whenever I am thinking about it, talking about it, so on and so forth. So anyways, I get back here and 2 days ago, I was finishing up the video, finally got moved in, like the majority, at least for our house. There's still boxes everywhere, but mostly got moved in, sat down, finally was gonna upload this video. There was like 2 minutes at the end, not even, I don't think, that I had to finish editing. So I finished it and I'm like, yes, like finally get this posted. Then I had to save it from iMovie. And if you've ever dealt with iMovie, especially on an iPhone, it is a pain. It is a pain. So I go to save it, and this is the first time this has happened, but it's probably because I had all of those. The video was like 20-minute video. It was like 18 something. So I didn't have any storage on my phone, probably because I had all of those clips saved. So what do? I'm like, okay, I have to save it. I go and delete everything. Not off iMovie, off of my phone. Off my camera roll, I go and I delete all of the videos, all the little clips, and then I go in my recently deleted file and I delete it from there because I'm like, okay, well, you know, if I need storage, that I'm sure that takes up storage as well. So then I'm like, I should have plenty of space. Go back onto my iMovie and I go to save it, and it's not even letting me open it. It's like being really slow, and I'm like, what's going on? I'm just gonna give it a little bit. I literally shut down my phone, turn it back on. And then it starts saying that there are clips there are videos in this project that cannot be found, or something along the lines of that. And I'm like, what? So then I start freaking out, and then I start realizing, okay, I guess because I deleted the clips from my phone, it deleted from iMovie, which makes no freaking sense to me. Like, to me, that is like me going uploading something on Facebook. It's saved, it's on Facebook, but if I delete it from my phone, then it's gone off of Facebook too. That is pretty much how iMovie works. Did not know this. Got really upset, literally called Kyle. I was crying, which sounds so ridiculous. I keep saying that, but I was so upset. And it's not even just, oh, I edited this whole video. Because if it's like a video like this where I'm sitting down and talking and that happens, it's fine, no big deal. I can refilm it tomorrow and have it uploaded the next day. But this video, I can't get back. I can't get those clips back. I can't go back to annual training and video all the stuff that we did for 2 weeks. So it just was really upsetting. It was really time consuming. And I tried everything. So I went and bought a previous, nothing to do with this. I went and bought a cheap little laptop to get me by because I've been having issues with my Mac, and it got to the point where it wouldn't even turn on. So I went and bought something just for school because I started school like during annual training. I didn't even mess with my Mac since. So have this new computer, trying to figure out everything on it. Well, then I'm watching these YouTube videos and I'm seeing where this guy is saying that you can get this program and you can get everything back, but it has to be Microsoft or Apple product computer. So my new computer that I got is a like Chromebook, Google Chromebook. So it's neither. So I was like, crap, I really need to see if I can get my MacBook working. So I get back on my MacBook after already trying, and I look up more YouTube videos. I'm telling you, YouTube everything. I use YouTube more than I use Google. So I'm looking like how to fix the Mac, and they're saying, oh, if I do this and do that, and if it turns on and it's not your hard drive, it should be fine. Let me tell you, I've been trying to get this Mac to update for like 2 years, and I've been unsuccessful every time, which I know I could have just brought it to Apple and probably figured it out, whatever. Anyways, finally get the computer on my MacBook, and I get the update on it and everything. I'm like, okay, so if anything comes out of this positive, it's gonna be that my MacBook now works, because I would have probably never messed with it again if this wouldn't have happened. So I download the software that the guy tells me to download. It doesn't work. And I've literally tried everything. I've watched video after video. There was one video, again, saying like it was another software to get, and everyone's commenting on it pretty much saying that they're all bogus or they're all scams. So I didn't have a lot of hope for that. I wasn't like getting my hopes up, but this girl commented and was like, I filmed and edited this video. It took me forever, so much work, and I can't get it back when I do. And then there's 300 plus likes on this YouTube comment, and like hundreds of comments saying, oh my God, me too. Has anyone found a solution? So that I know of, there's no solution. If there is, if anyone knows of any way, sorry, Coda's in here. Hey, bud. So anyways, if you know of a way to get back data that is, and I need to go ahead and add that I did not back it up. So it is not on my iCloud. And like I said, I deleted it from my recently deleted files. There's like a little tech company right by me, like right down the road from my house. So I am going to tomorrow, because I have to go, I have a bunch of stuff to do today. I'm so busy right now, y'all. But tomorrow I'm going to go up there and see if there's any way that they can get it off of like my actual hard drive of the phone, or I don't know how that works. But I was really upset. I was really excited to get that video out. It was a good video. I'd literally already shown like so many people that I was at annual training with. I had shown Kyle pieces of it, some of my friends pieces of it. I was really excited about it. And just to document, like, you know, that's my first annual training, and just like to have that to look back on. I'll never be with that unit again. I'm in the process of transferring units, so it would have just been really cool to have that, if not even for YouTube, but just to have for myself. So that was really upsetting. I'm trying not to dwell on it, but I'm having a really hard time. And like I said, if you've never edited a video before, you probably, Coda, come here. Sorry, he's shaking my stand. If you've never edited, come here. If you've never edited a video before, you probably don't understand my struggle. But those who have put in the time, especially for someone that I've never videoed anything that was a 2-week process. All of my videos, you know, have been like this, or have been vlogs or whatever. It's never been like longer than 2 weeks of I'm sitting there videoing. So yeah, I'm really upset, even though I'm smiling. I don't know what I'm doing, but if you have any questions about annual training, I would love to answer this for you, because I don't have that video to put out. I'm gonna go to that little place down the street and see if they can do anything for me. I just feel like there's not, once you delete something like that off your phone, I feel like there's not a way to get it back. If anyone from iMovie is watching this, you need to update your stuff, because I should not be able to delete something from my phone and then you delete it from the app whenever it was a saved video on iMovie. I can go on and on about this. I'm telling y'all, I've been depressed about it for 2 days, which, anyways, other than that, we moved back into our house. Me and 2 of my girlfriends went to Miami. That was a fun trip, which I did video, and I did not delete those clips, so I will have that out soon. And then also, I want to start putting out videos. I want to commit to more than 1 day a week, but right now I'm in school. I am still picking up shifts at my old job. I am about to start a job at a school. I'm coaching a middle school volleyball team. And I don't know if I said it already, but I'm in school. So my schedule is really crazy. But I do want to at least commit to putting one video out a week. I haven't decided on a day yet. I'm still getting used to my schedule. So once that happens, I will, have a set day. Right now, you can just count on once a week at least. So by next week, I plan on having my Miami vlog out. Now for the fun part, my giveaway. I'm really excited for this giveaway because I've been wanting to do it since I reached 1,000 subscribers. Again, thank y'all so much. Like, that's super exciting. But now I'm at like 1,600, which is crazy how fast it's growing. My channel, let's see, in October only had like maybe 300 subscribers. So I'm really, really excited for that. And that's why I will be doing this giveaway, as well as trying to get at least one video out a week for you guys. If there's anything specific you want a video on, let me know. I've seen all of your questions. It's really hard to get back to all of them. But I'm going to do another Q&A video as well. And with those videos, it's never really anything specific that I want to do. It's just, okay, I have all of these wide range questions, and I'm sure that other people who are thinking about joining the Army or joining the military in general, any branch, have these same questions. So I just want to put them all out there and answer anything I can, give any feedback that I can. The giveaway. I'm going to put a little picture at the end so you can see everything together. But I'm just going to go through what I have. I'm at 1,600 subscribers, which is amazing. But I will announce the giveaway whenever I hit 2,000 subscribers. But with that, I will add an item in every 100 subscribers. So right now I'm at 1,600. Whenever I reach 1,700, I will add one more item. Whenever I reach 1,800, another item, 1,900, another item, and then 1,000, that will be like my biggest item, and then I'll announce the winner, obviously. So there aren't very many rules for this giveaway. All right, guys, so I'm pretty much just rambling here, but you can check out all of the details and the rules below, as well as on my Instagram page. I have a story titled giveaway. I have some lashes, some face masks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 face masks. This hair mask, which this brand is my favorite. You'll see it on my Instagram story. The Not Your Mother's. I use their dry shampoo and their shampoo and conditioner whenever, like, I take their shampoo and conditioner because it's not the biggest. So anytime I go on trips, I'll use that. Some more lashes. These are really pretty. This Butter London palette. There's 3. It's like a crease brush, a foundation brush, and a large eye blending brush. These soaps are my absolute favorites. If you've ever been to Memphis, or actually I don't even know if it's a chain or not, I should probably look them up online. I know they have a website, but it's called Buff City Soap. And whenever we lived in Tennessee, I would go there all the time. It was in Midtown, and I would go there and get, they had like little mystery boxes. So you could pay, I think it was like $5 or something like that, and you get a box of little mystery boxes. So yeah, these are some of those. This one is for guys. It's called All in Man. It smells so good. They all smell so good. They are plant-based soaps, and they make them right there in the store. It's really cool to go in and see. Black Raspberry. And then Southern Belle. I love this one. A lip gloss. Strawberry Lemonade is the name of, is the shade, and it is Dominique Cosmetics. Strawberry Lip Gloss is the shade color. I want to open it so bad because the packaging is so pretty. Tarte Pro Glow 3 palette. So I'm going to open it up so you guys can see. I love, like, this whole line of Tarte, like the matte black packaging is so pretty. So you open it up like this. I don't want the little paper to fall out. And you got some blushes, some highlighters, and some bronzers with your little mirrors on the side. It's really heavy duty too. We have a $15 Starbucks gift card and a $10 Chick-fil-A gift card. So yeah, that's all I have right now. Like I said, you'll see a picture of it all together. After this, I hit 1,700, you'll see another item, which will probably be in one of my weekly videos. I'll just add it in at the end of one of my videos so you guys can see. So yeah, that's all I have. Everyone, please keep your fingers crossed that I am able to somehow get those videos back. So yeah, guys, if you want to enter my video, if you want to enter my giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and repost my post on Instagram. You also must be following me on Instagram and tag friends. I said 3 friends earlier. It doesn't really matter how many. I guess however many friends you tag, that's how many new entries you'll receive. So yeah, as many friends as you want. You don't have to. It's up to you. If you have a specific item that you think should be in the giveaway, like a specific palette, or you like a certain place and gift cards to there, just leave it down in my comments below. I'll take any and all suggestions because it's kind of hard to know, like, what do other people want? But yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you can give this video a thumbs up, keep your fingers crossed that I get my video back, and I will see you guys next week. Alright guys, I also wanted to say that I just realized that I had lipstick on my chin throughout that entire video, but I'm not going to refilm it.